So this is the first job link that we have. If someone is willing to join as a network engineer, 1 to 4 years of experience required, and it's a Bangalore based job. There are a couple of responsibilities that will be assigned to you. First thing is the network hardware, which is routing, switch, and wireless. Another is monitor network performance, resolve connectivity issue. So it seems to like to be a mostly troubleshooting role, right? So just check it out, okay, and apply if you feel like you're fit for this job role. Okay, along with the other couple of qualifications which will be required, right? For network engineer, like they want minimum 1 to 4 years experience, all those things. So if you feel like you can join, just drop a mail on this mail ID, susmita.i@squaretech.com, right? Next one, Sequence is hiring from a long time. So they are hiring for VAPT intern and VAPT specialist. So first one is for freshers. Another might be for the experienced folks. So this is a mail ID, salini.rathore@sequence.com. Next one, if you want to join company, a Gurgaon based job where you need to do some sort of job related SOC where the Splunk, Cribble, AWS work with there. A Arvind blr@gmail.com will be the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume, right? Now next is Sequence, again looking for VAPT peoples, VAPT intern specialist, and this is the mail ID salini.rathore@gmail.com. Next one. So there is a bulk hiring as a pen tester, work from home, and they can pay you around 10 to 25 LPA, which is a huge package, which is in SCL India. So right guys, you need to check out like this. Mail ID is manoj@exceltechcomputers.com, right? And I don't know because the company name is SCL and this is a different company name. So you need to check from your side. Like they might be working as a intermediate, which means like suppose if you want to join SCL, then this they are going to work in the between, right? You will going to join from this person, right? And along with that, they will took some sort of commissions from your salary. Okay, so do accordingly. There might be. I'm not sure, but might be. Next one is VAPT. Okay, and again security analyst a VAPT. Responsibilities will be application security, pen testing, 2 to 3 years of experience required, BSc, BE. Okay, vast top 10, right? And vast top 10 knowledge is important. nmap puts can these are the like ऐसा है कि भाई जन्म लेता बच्चों को आ जाता है. This is called nmap, right? nmap, port scanning, all those things is very much important for this job role. Okay, they want security tool experience, right? So just check it out, all those things. Along with CH, ECSA, and OSCP will be a must have, right? Other skills is candidates should good in documentation and communication skills. It's a Pune based job, right? And this is on site, so you need to work from there. And this is mail hr@sinradar.com, right? Next one, Cyber Protect is hiring for Ruby on Rails plus cybersecurity engineer with 5 years of experience, and these are the couple of requirements. And this is the mail ID, right, on which you drop your mail. And meanwhile, if you'll be having any question, you can ask from there. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you may ask. Thank you.